Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I highlight and contour, then please keep on watching. So I already did my brows and lashes off camera. Grabbing the Makeup Reveal and concealer, go ahead and apply it underneath our eyes. Then grabbing a damp beauty blender, you want to go ahead and blend it out. Now apply the same concealer to the middle of your forehead and blend it out with the same beauty blender. Now apply it to your cupid's bow and chin and blend it out as well. The reason we're applying concealer to these areas of our face is to brighten and bring them out, versus contouring, which is the opposite, where we want to add shadow and create more dimension to our face. Using the Makeup Revolution translucent powder, we're going to go ahead and set our whole face with a damp beauty blender and leave a little bit more powder underneath our eye just for the baking process. Using the LA bronzer, we're going to go ahead and apply it to the temples of our forehead. And don't worry, I know it's looking a little crazy right now, but we're going to go ahead and blend it out in the end. Now we're going to apply contour underneath our cheekbones for a more defined look. Now pinching the brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply the contour on the sides of my jawline. Now to my favorite part, which is contouring the nose. Personally, I like to create a more slimmer and snatched nose, so I like to use the beginning of my brows as the marker where I'll start my nose contour. I'm going to go ahead and use that brush and blend from my brows to the tip of the nose, and from the tip of the nose to the brows on the other side. The closer you bring the two lines together, the more snatched your nose will look. Then apply it to the bottom tip of the nose. Now we're going to bake with the same translucent powder using the damp beauty blender and apply it to the sides of our nose, underneath where we contour our cheekbones, the middle of my forehead, and as well as my chin. Now time to let it bake. To highlight the nose, we're going to draw an exclamation point, a dot on the tip of the nose, and a line down the bridge of the nose. Now it's time to brush the baking off. To really set in the makeup, I like to pat it in first and then blend it out. So for the nose, I like to use the same technique but with a smaller powder brush. To blend it out some more, I'm using that same powder brush we were using earlier and dusting the rest of the powder underneath my cheekbones. Now using a fan brush, we're going to go ahead and apply the Mary Luminizer to the highest points of our cheeks, the temples of the forehead, as well as the cupid's bow. And I'm applying blush to the apples of my cheeks, and using my damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out one last time. So I hope you guys learned how to highlight and contour. Let me know in the comments down below what else you want to see, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!